What up, what up? This your boy ZK, aka Zimbabwe Kid, and this is Shout Out Wednesdays. I'm back, and I'd like to give a shout out to two of my YouTube friends. The first one is Knock, and Knock, man, has been grinding, has been doing his thing, spitting. So check out his channel, add him as a friend, comment on his videos, subscribe to him as well. And his YouTube channel is youtube.com/knockspit, NOKSPIT, and that's Knock. And then the second one you guys should also check out is Ednea, and basically she has a nice, smooth, relaxed channel. Got a good selection of music right there, that would just kind of put you in that nice groove right there. So check out her channel. Her channel is youtube.com/Digo Cute1, DIGOCUTE1. And those are the two friends I'd like you guys to check out, Ednea and Knock. And that's what that is. ZK Zimbabwe Kid, Zimbo Nexus, ZimbabweKid.com. Don't forget to check it out. And as always, peace.